Alright, pause everything. 2 phones, same height, same fate. 250 meters, 1 drop. First up, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple's biggest, boldest, most expensive promise. Titanium frame, tough glass. People say this thing is indestructible. Let's go. No spin, no mercy, just gravity doing its job. Now the second phone, iPhone Air. So let's go. And now, the moment of truth. Let's check the iPhone Air first. The back camera, perfectly fine. No blur, no shake, still sharp. And now the front, no cracks. Touch working like nothing happened. Now look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is where it gets crazy. It's broken into 3 pieces. Front gone, back gone, frame split. The phone that was supposed to be unstoppable lost the fight. So tell me, was this bad luck, or did the Air just steal the crown? Sometimes the phone that looks delicate is the one that survives the smartest. Would you trust this phone after a drop like this? Tell me in the comments section. Top 5 comments will be given shout out in next video.